Hello everyone, my name is Ayusa Gita, NPM 244411109. Here in this presentation, I will explain the basic context, meaning, and model of leadership. Understanding leadership can be defined as the ability of an individual to influence, guide, and direct others in order to achieve common goals. It is not only about having authority or a formal position, but more about how a person can inspire and motivate others to work together effectively. According to John Maxwell, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. This means that leadership is not about power or control, but about the ability to influence people in a positive way. In addition, Peter Drucker explained that leadership is the ability to turn vision into reality. A leader must not only create ideas or plans, but also ensure that those ideas are successfully implemented to growth, teamwork, and cooperation. Leadership can also be understood from several perspectives. First, leadership is a process. It is a continuous and involves ongoing interaction between a leader and followers that include communication, decision making, problem solving, and evaluation. Second, leadership is a ability or skill in can be learned and development over time. Skills such communication, motivation, emotional intelligence, and decision making are essential for effective leadership. Third, leadership is an art. Every leader has a unique style depending on their personality, experience, and situation. There is no saying this way to lead. Which is why flexibility is very important. For leadership, a social relation, it involves trust, respect, and communication between leaders and followers. Without followers, leadership cannot exist. Finally, leadership is a tool to achieve goals. The main purpose of leadership is to guide individuals, achieving the right objective, ability, and activity. Basic concepts of leadership. First, leader. A leader is a person who guides, directs, and influences others. A leader is responsible for making decisions and ensuring that goals are achieved. Second, followers. Followers are people who are led by the leader. The leadership cannot exist without followers because leadership is a relation between people. Third, influence. According to John C. Maxwell, leadership in influence. This makes leaders does not force people but enables them to follow willingly. Fourth, goals. Leadership always has a goal. A leader must ensure that all team members are working toward the same objective. 5. Interaction. Leadership is not a one-way communication. It involves interaction between leader and followers, including communication, feedback, and cooperation. Meaning of leadership. Now let's talk about the meaning of leadership in a deeper way. Leadership can be understood in several perspectives. Leadership is a process. Leadership is continuous, a process. It does not happen only once, but happens every day toward communication, decision making, and problem solving. Leadership as a ability. Leadership is also a skill that can be learned. People are not only built as leader, but can develop leadership skills such as communication, motivation, and decision making. Leadership is a goal achievement according to Peter Drucker. Leadership is about turning vision into reality. A leader must ensure that ideas and plans are successfully implemented. Models of leadership. One, the right model. This model focus on personal characteristics of leaders. Example of the right: confidence, honesty, responsibility. Uh, to to behavioral model. Uh, this model focus on what leaders do. There are two main types: task oriented focus and task and result. Relation oriented focus and people and need teamwork. 3. Conscious model. This model says that leadership depends on the situation. One important theory C. 4. Transformational leadership. This model focuses on inspiring and motivation people, characteristic, visionary, inspirational, and quote innovation. Example case. Let's look at simple example. A team fails to meet its target because the leader only focus on tasks and pressure the team. Then the leader changes the approach by one, motivating the team, two, listening to their problems, three, encouraging teamwork. As a result, the team becomes more motivated and performance improves. Conclusion. In conclusion, leadership is a very important component in every organization because it plays a key role in achieving goals and maintaining teamwork. Leadership is not simple about having a formal position or authority, but it is about the ability to influence, guide, and influence others. From the discussion, we can understand that leadership involves several basic concepts, such as leader, followers, include interaction, and common goals. These elements work together to create an effective leadership process. In terms of meaning, leadership can be seen as a connection process, a skill that can be in terms of meaning. Leadership can be seen as a continuous process, a skill that can be developed, and art that requires flexibility and execution relationship by build on trust and communication. It also serves us to turn vision into reality and ensure that goals are successfully achieved. Furthermore, three are different models of leadership, including the threat model, behavior model, context model, transformational leadership, and transactional leadership. As model is how strength and weakness. Entry is no single best style that fits all situations. Therefore, an active leader is someone who is able to adapt their leadership style based on the situation, the needs of the team, and the goals of the organization. A great leader is not defined by power, but by the ability to inspire others, building strong relationship and lead a team towards success. That concludes the material. It can present. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Sampai jumpa lagi.